So we are in Half Moon Bay, and weather is just fantastic. The air quality is probably about 19. So we are in Half Moon Bay. Wanna take a little walk, and today is Tuesday. The temperature is 57 Fahrenheit degree, and let's say, oh my goodness, air quality 11. So very wonderful air to breathe, and we're just passing some kayak spot. This is kind of cool. Looks like you can rent the kayaks here. Oh, I think so. I am on the private property. I don't know how to get out from here, but anyway, I want to. Oh, there is a. Here is the exit. So okay, I'm okay. So this kind of interesting spot. Looks like food trucks. Outside food, yes. Outside booze, no. Okay. So you can take the food outside, but not the alcoholic beverages. All right. Oh, looks like they have music here at night. It's probably a very nice spot to be here at night, especially when it's nice and warm nights. Oh, this is kind of cool. All those trees and the succulents. Okay, enough of this place. Let's take a walk. So there is a marina behind me, and mostly fishing boats. This is a good parking spot, but unfortunately the PG&E took it over, so we had to park a little bit farther, but usually we park right over here. We never have a problem with the parking here. It looks very safe. So if you ever go to Half Moon Bay Marina, this probably is the best spot to park. Nice and quiet today, Tuesday. Most people working. Oh, look at this guy over here. I don't know if you guys can see it. He has a nice view right over there. Hi. Oh. And the hawk is flying. Nice tree. Probably it's gonna collapse in a year or two. Looks like it's on the edge. I will not rest under that tree. It will give it away any day. Check it out. Verna, I said this tree is gonna give it away. What? This tree is gonna give it away any day. Oh yeah, 1 or 2 or 3 big storms and this beautiful tree will be a history. Go check it out. Yeah. Almost half of the roots already exposed. Nature. So we are at the pillar point at the Half Moon Bay. So if you bring your boat or kayak or anything, it's a nice launching facility. So you can lower your boat right over here. But there you go. But you can only park here, I believe, so just for 25 minutes, and then you have to go back and park somewhere else. No, I was wrong. It was only 20 minutes. And I just want to point it out, there is also a danger, hazardous area exit. There's extremely dangerous reefs. So it's a warning over here, good to know. So there's a dangerous reefs, so you might get in trouble if you run against them. So as I mentioned, here it's only a 20 minutes parking. But we have bathrooms over here. If you're fishing and you catch some fish, you can clean some fish over here. All right, everything is running. So this is the fish people catch. During the weekend, you can see a lot of people digging here for shellfish. I didn't see anyone today, but that's where they catch the shellfish. But that was a warning over there that the shellfish are poisoned. There's some contaminations going on, so maybe that's why people are not digging for them here anymore, or at least today. it's a nice benches over here. You can sit down and relax. Oh, looks like a nice spot also as well. Looks like a beer garden or something. Oh, it's a chowder house. So that means they're serving club chowder over here. This probably looks very cool at night. All the lights. Yeah, we probably have to come over here one day at night during the summertime. That's gonna be pretty cool. Looks like a hotel, a motel. Nice view, balconies. Probably half empty or more. I see one customer over there. Yeah, very quiet. Very, very quiet. And to my left, it's a RV park. Usually this spot is full. So as you see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 spots empty. Let's go up and see how this looks like. Okay. Yeah, they are more than 50% empty, but during the summer I'm pretty sure they are sold out. Gorgeous. I've seen a lot of warning signs today about the shellfish, dirty waves, so many. And do you know, if you have your best friend and he poop and you're not gonna clean after her or him, $250 fine. Just to let you know. Clean after your dog. Looks like they built some cafe over here. Oh, take it back. It's not gonna be a cafe, it's gonna be a new public restrooms. So, Bernard, there's gonna be a new restrooms over here. All right. Another sign saying this is a danger place. Wow. Someone looks like lost her or his life over here, so I guess it is a danger spot. Rest in peace. I don't know what's happened to that person. Maybe you guys can Google and find out. Let me know. And I'm gonna try to find out myself as well. big damage after the hurricane, high winds, and this is a quite erosion here. Let me show you guys. Half of the walkway cave in, so I hope no one's got hurt. This cement looks like gonna give in any time. Stairway is closed, has to be fixed. So yeah, lots of erosions after last storm. Okay, let's go close to the water. Okay, let's go take off our shoes and I feel the nice, cool ocean under our feet. try to fill water bottle with seawater to to wash her feet from the sand. I'm just gonna use my socks to take the sand off my feet. I'm probably not gonna be 100% successful in this task, but well, that's the price you pay to walk on the sand at the beach and have no access to a running water to wash off the sand off your feet. So anyway, Verna is keep trying to fill the bottle of water with the seawater. Let's go see. Oh, she got a little bit, I guess. Oh, wow, wow, wow. She might get really wet. Okay, okay, another try. Let's go see. Oh, not much, I guess. Oh, anyway, let's go see if she can get some ocean water into the water bottle. Perhaps maybe just a little, but let's go see. Oh, okay. Okay, I guess not much. Okay, I'm going back to clean my feet with the socks. Mission accomplished. Shoes on. And where are we going right now? Are we keep walking or
No, back to the
we're
car.
going back to the car? Okay, back to the car then, and maybe we're gonna stop to eat something. Maybe.
Yeah, I'm hungry now.
Okay. Hopefully we're gonna find some vegan restaurant. I'm gonna be driving, and Verna's gonna be Google and see what we can find. You mentioned sushi. Where? Over here or where we live? Okay, let's go find out. Okay, let's go walk back. Okay, that was a very very refreshing. So let's go back, and here's like Highway 1 front of us. So part of the trail is just next to Highway 1, as you see how very close the ocean is to a Highway 1. So no wonder during the stormy weather this part of the highway is basically closed. So as you see, there is not much barrier between the highway and the ocean, and the highway can be easily flooded during a stormy weather. But today it's a very nice day. And as you see, over there will be a sunset in a few hours. The sun is still high, but yeah, you can have a spectacular sunset from this spot as well. Another warning. Many warnings here, but it's not as bad. That's my opinion. This is the one surfer just came out, so he's probably the only one surfing today, which I don't know if it's safe, because something happened to him. Nobody is going to help him, so I don't know. Anyway, only one guy today. Usually it's plenty Yeah. See those big builders protecting all this area from the stormy waves, which probably will be beaten all the way down there. So yeah, they're massive. As you see how huge they are. They are humongous. See some pieces of concrete, some granite slabs. Looks like from some construction sites. Number 13, lucky 13. Oh, some dead bird.
Look at the dead bird.
Oh, poor thing. Like people are standing on that builders.
What?
People are standing and fishing. It's another dead bird. Why so many dead birds around here? This is another one. There's another one over here. Why so many dead birds? Wow, another one. There's another dead bird. Something is not right. Why are so many dead birds on this beach? Wow. I don't know. Let me know in your comments. There's another one over there, I guess. My goodness. This is horrific. Yeah. This is another dead bird. And one over here. Looks like some feathers sticking out
Another one.
from this sand. Wow. Let's,
Another dead bird.
yeah,
One there.
yeah. Guys, let me know what's going on here. I'm gonna try to Google myself also and find out what's happened. Why so many dead birds?
It's
When-
very light.
Okay, so what do you want me to do with this? Huh? I don't know, because I don't know what's in it. So many dead birds around, so I don't know. Another one over here. Oh no, that's not the dead birds. Looks like it, but it's not. Thanks. Whew, I thought there's another one. That's unfortunate. Oh, someone is bored, paddling. That's hi, 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 hi. This dog climbing up to say hello to Verna. Yeah, he climbing all the way there to say hello to her, Verna. Oh wow.
Part of the welcome committee.
Oh, I see.
Say hi to everyone.
Oh. Do you know why so many dead birds here?
I guess the tide.
Oh, the tide?
The tide will wash them on the beach.
Oh, I see.
Just nature.
Oh, yeah. Well, I've never seen so many of them. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's probably from the storm. Yes, we got quite a few storms in the past few weeks and days.
Yeah.
And another one is coming tonight. So. Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you're lucky to live here. We live inland, all the way inside. Oh, okay.
Oh, he found something.
Big stick now. Have a nice
Take
day.
care.
Bye, enjoy.
Bye, thanks. So I don't know if you guys hear it. She says so many dead birds because of the stormy weather, and they perhaps died somewhere, and the waves brought them over here. I don't know. Anyway, that's the kind of explanation I get so far. But yes, I never seen so many dead birds in one specific spot.
Another one.
Wow.
It's 4 so far.
Wow. Werner just pointed out this is another dead bird in front of us. Gosh, I don't know. I don't know if I should filming those dead birds because I already did so many, but anyway, very poor thing over here. Hopefully it's the last one. Rest in peace, Birdie. Very sad. Wow, this is interesting. Someone has like a table or something. Let's go check it out. This is this is very interesting. Yeah. Hi, can I filming you? Can I filming you?
Sure.
Oh my God, 'cause it's so beautiful.
It's such a
Wha-
romantic little picnic.
Oh, what's the occasion?
20 years.
20 years, congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh, that's awesome, 20 years, my gosh. It goes fast, yeah?
Yes, it does.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's awesome. Oh, they're just celebrating a 20 years anniversary on the beach. That's fantastic. Another dead bird. Oh my gosh.
What's going on?
So it's like, it's a happy moment, 20 years celebration of the anniversary, and also a sad because there's so many dead birds around. That's a kind of controversial happiness and kind of sadness at the same time for me. But well, they enjoy. They have a really nice spot. We're celebrating the 20th anniversary, but unfortunately, a lot of tragedy around with all these dead birds lying on the beach. Wow. I don't know. Please let me know what you think about it. Yeah, I had kind of mixed feelings now. But as you guys see here, the water is very calm. There's almost no waves at all because it's surrounded by it's like a cove, very quiet. So yeah, great for kayaking. Just kayak around, like this guy, as I mentioned, with the board paddling down there. Very cool. This is like another seafood restaurant. This is a many seafood restaurants around here in the Half Moon Bay. I don't eat seafood, but I used to. Right over there at the pier, or next to the pier at the harbor, there's a restaurant which I remember the time when I used to eat seafood. They served very delicious melted crab sandwiches. Oh my gosh, that was really good. Even I'm vegan today, I still remember the taste of it, and it's still tempting. But no, I'm gonna stick to veganism. Well, but yes, I do have memories when used to eat meat and seafood, and I remember the taste. Well, fortunate thing is there are lots of plant-based food which taste very close what I remember. So not the same, but very close, and they doing better and better job with time. So maybe in a few years you'll not tell the difference between the real thing and the plant-based food, which can be a meat or seafood or anything. Anyway, one more look. Okay, let's go to the car and let's go see when or where we're gonna end up to have a lunch / dinner today. As I mentioned, Verna think about some vegan sushi, so let's go see.